Is it on? I think it's on.
This on?
Cool. Hi, my name is Garrett Crossgrove. I'm going to be singing a song called Today. It's a song that I wrote. It's an original. I actually wrote it just a couple hours ago, so I have the lyrics on a piece of paper right here, so I'm going to be just reading them for y'all today. This is a song about a guy who has a dream to go to the beach with his girl. Here we go. I want to go to the ocean. I want to go to the sea. I dream of the time we're together, you and me. We can have a picnic on the sand. We can hold each other's hands today. Let's pack our things and go driving. Let's grab our stuff and go west. We'll travel far from our houses. So go on and get dressed. We can take my dad's old car. We can travel really far today. We'll drive and see the mountains. We'll go and pass the hills. Forget all about our problems, including the stack of bills. We can talk all along the way. We can plan our future day today. Wake up, do you see it? Shimmering in the golden light. The water calm and so vast. What a beautiful, beautiful sight. We can set up camp right there. We can watch the birds and stare today. I'm here on the beach, am I dreaming? The breeze so calm and so mellow. The sand in my toes is so gentle. Sunset, orange, red, and yellow. The ocean and the sky are so blue, but what I love most is you today. Cool. Well, that's my song. So tell me what you think about it, and maybe I'll write another one. That was the first song I wrote. So yeah. Well, here's a bug on my paper. That's nice. Okay, bye.